Alright, in this video I will show you how to install Visual Basics. If you haven't installed in your computer, you need to watch this. Before you do anything, just go to Google Classroom. Now you need to select the subject, which is WED 8101 ICT. Alright, now where can you find the file? You need to scroll down because we learned this a long time ago and the file is around the middle. Now you found the file, you just need to click this. And then Google will say something like this, couldn't preview file. Why? Because the file is too big. So go to the top right corner, right click on this three dot, click open in new window. And then now you will see the download blue button. Click that. And it will say it cannot scan for virus because the file is too big, or the file is an installation file. That's why Google cannot scan. Just click download anyway. The file is 100% safe. Right, now you will see it is downloading. All right, it's almost finished. Okay, now it's finished and ready to use. I don't want you to click on this file. I want you to click on this arrow and click show in folder so that you don't need to go and find in File Explorer again, okay? Click this. Right, now it shows Microsoft Visual Basic 6.0 Enterprise. Right click on this file and then you need to click WinRAR, select WinRAR, and you need to choose extract here, and it will start extracting and you will see another folder called Visual Basic 6.0. Okay, now it just gone. Actually, it moved to the bottom because the date that created this file was on 2018, which is very long, that's why. So if you cannot find the folder at the top, don't be scared, it is at the bottom, okay? Now get inside that folder, you will see key file. This one, key, text document, open that. It is the key, the license key for installing Visual Basic. And the next step is you need to scroll down and find setup.exe. It is around the middle of the folder. Okay, find this file. The name is setup. The logo is look like infinity. Double click this. And it will ask permission. Just click yes. It will prompt two screens. The first one is this one. Compatibility issue. It's okay. Just click close. We can stay installed. Now, from this four options, choose the first one. All right, it will prompt another screen. Just click continue. And it will ask about the organization. Just type ICT is fine. And then click OK. All right, it will show the product ID. Click OK. Okay, because I install first and then reinstall again to show you guys. That's why it's found my file at recycle bin. But in your case, if you haven't installed, it will just say, okay, you will have only one option. Now you need to click this logo. You cannot click change folder or exit setup. You need to click this logo, and then it will show another prompt like this. We don't want to install Microsoft Virtual Fox Pro. We don't need that. And also source safe, that one we don't need. And okay. Make sure you check graphic. All right, we will need in the future. So there are only two things that we don't install: Fox Pro and SoSafe. Click continue. You need to register an environment variable so that we can work on C++ program. Click OK. All right, now it is installing. It will take a few minutes depending on your computer. If your computer is fast, it will be really quick. All right, the installation is finished. It is updating your system. You just need to wait a few minutes. Okay, we have some error here. It said we cannot create DCOM user account in order to register. It's okay, just click OK. It said not complete. All right. In order to check if we successfully install or not, go to the search and then type VB, and then you will see Virtual Basics. See, even though while we installing it said we cannot complete or there is an error, but it is still working. You can start working. There we go, right? And after you install first time and it didn't work, you need to install second time. At least you need to try twice or thrice in order to make it work, because this program is really old and there is no longer update on this program. And in any case, why you installing the program, it asks the license key. You need to enter this key, okay? It is already inside the file that I gave you guys on Google Classroom. All right, I hope you guys can install it without any problem. Well, even if you can't and you have problem, you can contact me anytime in Line group, or you can send a private message. All right, see you guys in next video.